Holt.
Right, I think we're nearly there now, Mick, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Getting it on.
Salt, pepper, and guys, get the lid off that because we want lots of garlic. There we go.
Mediterranean. Veg there as well. That's going to go down well.
Yeah, brilliant. There we go. Little fire going there, get our food cooked. Beer is in the stream. Wainwright. Walking. Beer, what more can I mean, brilliant. What have you got, Chris?
I'll show you what I've got. I've got a brew dog.
Brew dog.
I've got Hazy Jane brew dog.
Brilliant.
I've had that one before, Mick.
Right.
That's nice, that. But I'm trying one that I've not had before this. So that's Northern Monk.
Right.
Erratic.
Yep.
It's quite strong, that one.
6.5, 5%.
5%.
Who's driving back? Who's driving us back? Who's driving us back, Chris?
Not me.
No, not Chris. That's why I'm on my Wainwright, 4.1%. So we've got a fire going there. Brilliant. Be ready. We've got the tins in the fridge, in the stream. Chris has got his Mediterranean veg there in his pan. Brilliant. I think they're brilliant. These for cooking in. Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people just for eating out of, but
yeah.
frying pan stuff goes everywhere. You know that.
Just handy tap. Yeah.
So I've got my steak, tomato, mushrooms. Right. Where am I putting them at? I don't want to overtake over it.
Yeah, just put them on that.
Anywhere around
on that edge there,
the
if you want, mate. Yeah.
I might just let that bit.
You're going to let that flame go down a bit first?
Just a bit.
Right.
Should be alright.
I'm reckoning, you know, all these beers are going to be ready, mate. I reckon these beers are going to be ready.
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely, mate. Yeah, there. So there we go. Steak, mushroom, tomato, kebabs, Mediterranean, vegetables and veggie burger there. Brilliant. Tins in the stream.
All good.
Nature's fridge.
So yeah, guys, when we do our walks, we might do a bit of this. We might just settle down, just set up similar to this sort of setup, and cook a little bit of food when we're taking people out walking. It's just good to get out, you know, just to be out in nature, to be listening to the sounds by the river. I sample this. Yeah, spot on. That hits the mark, definitely.
Wainwright, lovely. Beer tastes so much better outside as well.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'm on Hazy Jane, a brew dog, Hazy Jane, For anybody that's not tried this, it's IPA. It is really good. It's got a bit of a sort of a citrusy flavour to it, but it is really nice.
Well, there we go. Yeah, it looks good. I'm going to get some of them. I've had them before.
Yeah,
they are nice, aren't they? Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah.
They are.
Some of them could be quite like strong percentage-wise, something like 6.9, but they're just nice. Just have even just one or two.
We need 1 or 2 when you're chilling in daytime. I'll get some of them when I go doing the Pembrokeshire walk. Definitely, yeah, I do like them.
You can get them in miniature size as well. You know, the smaller cans as well.
Of course.
Just a bit easier sometimes to carry around with you as well.
Yeah.
So, have you always done this, mate? Have you always sort of got out?
Always like to get out,
camping?
Yeah. Cooking and walking.
When
I was a kid, I used to like to take a magnifying glass with me in summer, get a fire going with that, get a campfire going. So, always loved it.
Yeah. But like you say, it doesn't matter what age you are either, right? Does it, mate? It doesn't matter what age you are, you can get out, guys, you know, even if you're older, it doesn't matter what age, you can still get out, you can still do stuff like this.
Any age you can get out, yeah. It doesn't matter. It's the same with anything though, like anything.
Yeah,
you can start at any age, it's just a number, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's just a number. That's looking good now, mate.
That's it, get some wool under it. That'll do it. Heat them veggies up.
It's taking a little bit longer than what I thought of that veg, to be honest. It'll start cooking now. Get it going, that won't it?
Yeah, it's all looking pretty ready, is that? Maybe your veggies need a little longer, but looking good.
Move the can so the can doesn't warm up.
There's a good point. There's a point.
Warm beer? No, you don't want warm beer, guys.
No point putting them in the stream and then, you know, storing them next to the fire, is there?
You want a taste of that, mate?
I'm not going to say no, I'll have a little taste.
See what you think of it.
Yeah. Nice, aren't they?
You like that, yeah?
I like them. I do like them. I do. It's just so strong, I thought with me driving, you know, otherwise I would have got a couple of them. But we're coming in Chris's car next time and I'm going to have a drink.
I'll drive. It'd be alright if we come camping, Nick.
Oh, brilliant. We can have what we want then, can't we? Yeah. We can have what we want. Wild camping, we're out. Yeah.
Wild camping, a few beers.
So everything's done. Chris, buy the veg.
Yeah.
Mind you, it's been on the edge though, hasn't it?
To be fair, yeah, we've had the stuff over the flames, haven't we, really?
Right.
I'm just thinking, mate, it took quite a while to cook this veg, haven't they? I'm just thinking whether it's the actual alley because they're made out of aluminium, whether it's because.
Personally, I found with them they cook quicker.
Do they?
With meat and stuff. I think with veg, maybe an idea next time is bringing some foil and covering it with the foil. Yeah. Because it's like the steam and it'll keep the heating more.
That might be
steam them a bit, you know what I mean?
Bring some foil.
Yeah. Possibly, I've never tried it, but yeah.
We'll try that next time.
I found they cook quicker. But they are taking a while, must admit.
I actually got some tomato sauce ready to bring with me, mate. I put it in the fridge, and do you know what? I forgot it.
You forgot it.
Yeah. But we don't worry about it. We don't worry.
So I said to Chris, he can have some of this if he wants. He said, you eat what you want, mate, and I'll have what you're left over. But I will say that to me, hey Chris?
Yeah. No, he'll eat it all.
No, no, no. Mmm. Very nice. Mmm.
Good that, mate, yeah?
Is that good?
Yeah, really good that.
Lovely. Mmm.
Yeah, they're alright, these, I think.
Cheers, Chris.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Alright guys, yeah, we just had something to eat. We're going to head off now down to a forest that's nearby. We just had a fire going now, guys, so I'm just going to literally just put it out, just make sure it's safe, leave it as we found it. That's important. If you are having fires and you're cooking outside, just leave it as you find it, you know, and then there's no risk of you starting any fires. Okay guys.